Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and I just picked up this True Burn Fine 79 GS1000. I don't know if the motor turns over or anything yet. I just picked it up last night. It's not horrible. It's not. We're gonna find out. We're gonna put the S100 on it and find out if it's any good or not. It doesn't look like it's been wrecked or anything like that. I'm going to pull all the cycle sound stuff off here and stuff and pull the fairing off so it can be manageable. The tank looks okay-ish. The seat looks really okay-ish. I needed it for the exhaust. I have a bike that needs this exhaust. It does have a Bates box on it. I'll see if I have the key. I am missing the side covers, but it does have the stock chain guard, drink holder. It does have case guards. I don't know about those just yet. So anyway, we're going to clean it up with the S100 and take a look at it and see where we're at with it. What we do, this stuff is good enough for paint. It's good enough for chrome. And what you do, you spray it on. I put it on very generously. And we spray it on and we'll let it set for a little bit. And then what we'll do, we'll take SOS pads. So just for example right here, I'll show you a sample of the chrome right here. The chrome looks horrible. So what we do, we let it soak in a little bit with the SOS, and it's like we're almost coming to a whole new ball game. But the S100 gets this ready for this. So now, not too shabby. That's just the tip of the iceberg. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take SOS over everything except for the paint. We're gonna spray this all down really good with the S100 and let her set. And already you can see Kelly's been putting it on here, and already we're getting stuff off. I mean, this is the stuff. So we'll show you here a little bit exactly what we got going on. The S100 kind of changes our mind on, are we gonna fix this motorcycle or are we gonna take parts off it? I have another one of these bikes that has a header on it that I needed a stock exhaust for, so I bought this. However, upon further inspection, we cleaned it up nice. And it's not that bad. The pipes obviously I need for my other bike, but got some salvageable stuff. So like I said earlier, this is what we're using. We're using the S100. You can buy it from us or S100 or any motorcycle shop. This is an economical way. And all you need to do is buy a funnel. So anyway, this is good stuff. We swear by it. So I hope you like the project. I'll show you the other side. Didn't turn out too bad either. We just cleaned this because I'm getting ready to go to my warehouse today, and I thought we better clean this thing up before we store it. But like I say, here it is, and what a nice job for us. Of course, we're going to do all this nice because we have to cover the gauges with plastic. If you're washing the bike, we can almost promise you water or moisture will get in the gauges, so we cover those up. But man, everything else is nice. So thanks for looking at our stuff, and thanks for S100 for the continued support of our projects.